Welcome to another Lightning Payroll video tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Lightning Payroll Android Timeclock app in conjunction with your Lightning Payroll software. The first thing you'll need to do is to download the Lightning Payroll Android app onto the Android device or devices that you wish to use as a Lightning Payroll time clock. Once you've installed the Lightning Payroll time clock, you can open it up and log into your account. Simply enter your registered email and subscription ID and log in. Upon first login, your device will show you this screen, as it still needs to be authorized from the other side within your Lightning Payroll software. Open Lightning Payroll on your computer and go into the Company section. Click on the Timeclock Devices tab and press the Check for Devices button. This will search for all devices currently connected to your Lightning Payroll account. Any linked devices will appear in this table. You can give each device a nickname to make it easier to recognize, but in order to use the device as a time clock, you need to set it to active and send the update through to the Android device using this button here. All active employees and their shifts will be sent over to the newly authorized Timeclock device. To get started using the Timeclock, you can either restart the Timeclock app on the Android or just press the refresh button on the awaiting authorization screen. You will then see a list of your employees ready to be clocked in. To clock in or out, an employee just needs to tap on their name and enter their Timeclock PIN. By default, this PIN will be set to the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, but their Timeclock PINs should be edited inside Lightning Payroll to make them unique under the employee details, as you can see here. Once an employee enters their PIN, they can select the shift that they wish to clock into. If no shifts are visible, then it's just because you haven't set them up yet in Lightning Payroll under the Company Shifts section. This is demonstrated in our previous Shifts and Rosters tutorial. If you make changes to shifts or Timeclock pins, just remember that you either need to restart Lightning Payroll or go into the Timeclock Devices area once again and send through the updated data to the Android device. Once clocked into a shift, a pop-up will appear letting the employee know that they've clocked in. The app then returns to the beginning, ready to clock in or out for the next employee. Clocking out is just a repeat of the process. An employee simply chooses their name from the list and enters their PIN. If they are currently clocked into a shift, they'll see this screen here. They just need to press the clock out button to finish the shift, and the app then returns back to the start again. Now, the most important part of this time clock process is the importing of the time clock data into your pay run. This is done in the Pays screen of Lightning Payroll using the Timeclock Sync button here. This screen shows all the time clock shifts worked within this pay run I'm working on. I can even round the shift durations up or down or to the nearest minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. This tick box here allows you to hide or show time clock shifts which have been rostered or pre-scheduled, opposed to just time clock shifts that were logged in on the Android device, but not rostered within Lightning Payroll earlier on. Once you've selected the time clock shifts that you wish to approve or import into the payroll, just click OK, and the pending pays below will be updated with the time clock shift durations. You will either need to edit and save the pays, or just mark them all as complete up here to lock them into your pay run. Thanks for watching. This has been another Lightning Payroll video tutorial. For more information, please visit us at lightningpayroll.com.au.